everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carolyn. In this video, I wanted to do a simple makeup routine. I'm not a makeup expert. This is what I do when I need to go out. This is the makeup that I wear at the same time. My face is super acne prone to anything. Like, I'm careful with the makeup that I put on my face and how much I put it because it takes only seconds for my face to go from, oh, I love you to, oh, I really hate you. So I'll take you on step by step how I take care of my skin before I put makeup and the makeup that I use. Like you can see, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, a lot of dark spots from my pimples. So I'm trying to like clear everything on my face. It's hard because what I use may work like 2-3 days and then it stops working. So when I go out, I'll make sure I am very careful with my skin. So let's get started. Hi, I'm going to wash my hands first. I'll be using Murad Acne Cleanser. First I'll wet my face. Then apply a small amount of the acne cleanser on the palm of my hand and then distribute it around the perimeter of my face and then rub it through for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then rinse off my face. While my face is still wet, I use Noxzema Acne Pads to exfoliate my skin. I prefer the pads rather than using exfoliating gels and creams. I then rinse my face. After drying my face, I use Vaseline or shea butter to moisturize my face, and I rub through my face for about a minute, and then after that I open like the hot water tap and let it run until it's super warm, and I'll end up rinsing the extra oils. And you can see after I dry, my face is not shiny, it's just nice and smooth and has like this nice glow to it. Then this is when I start putting my makeup. I use Clinique makeup. I have their liquid foundation and their powder foundation. I go in the liquid foundation first and I just dab with my finger where I have dark spots. I apply it as a concealer even though it's not meant to be a concealer, but it does a great job covering dark spots. And it's the acne solution foundation, so it's also great for acne prone skin. After I'm done applying, I let it sit for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, this is how it looks like. I go in with my brush and I just blend it in. And then I take a different brush and I use the powder foundation and apply around the perimeter of my face. Here I'm putting mascara. I just do basic. I'm not crazy with makeup. And voila, done. And this is the final look.